Hello, I'm John Weinstein, Provost and Vice President here at Bard Academy and Bard College at Simon's Rock. And today we're going to be folding an origami crane. And I am joined with some of my current students in our wonderful Academy 9th grade literature class. So thanks for joining us. So the first thing, if one of the sheets of paper is more of the outside and one is more of the inside, you actually want the inside to be showing right now. So I'm going to use this pattern side as my outside and the red as my inside. That's if you've got a sheet of paper that has a preferred side. So the first thing we're going to do, we've got it arrayed like this, right? It's kind of diagonal, and you're going to fold the top corner down to the bottom corner. And that looks like item 1 on the diagram, if you have it. What we're going to do next is you're going to take the right kind of tip and fold that across to the left part. So the whole thing is going to look like a right triangle. And that will move us from image 2 into image 3. Now the next part is a really kind of fun step. So you're going to be seeing the inside. So here I've got this nice red inside like that. You're going to kind of puff that up and push it down. I'm going to show this over there. So here, right, you've got this corner like this. You want to sort of see the inside, so it's a little bit like it's munching on something, and then you push that down, and so it makes a square. And it will look like the image in number 4. Again, like that. You'll see the inside color. It'll look, so your shape will look like this. We're going to do the same thing. You're going to flip it over, which takes us kind of from image 4 to image 5, and do the same thing here. And so you'll have the effect of a square, but with these open pieces here. So now we're going to be doing what's item 6 on the diagram. And we're going to take these side pieces and fold each of them in. Just going to be making a crease. And after you've folded that crease, it gives the look of a kite. So fold that back out so that we've got these crease lines. We're then going to see the inside again because we're going to lift this part up like that. So again, we'll see that red inside that I have. And you use the creases that you've got you fold those up. This is where it starts to take that crane shape. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to do those two creases. again, we'll see that inside jump out because you'll fold it up here. To make this shape, which is what we move from steps 10 to 11. So we'll have this kind of shape. Now we're going to thin these tips a bit. So this folds up about half that distance. This folds up as well. That's what we see in number 11 to 12. And we flip it over, see number 13. We also fold that. So now we have this type of shape. We can see in number 14. Now we're going to do what's called a reverse fold. You kind of push this up through here, like that. You can adjust that height depending on where you want the crane's head to be. We do the same on the other side. Can get a little tight with all the layers of paper at this point. Put that in there. And then now we just need to make one side into the head. So we put that here. You can puff this out if you want. There we've got the complete crane. You can see it from the different sides. I'll go help here. This was this one also does not. And now you're in the same place there.